Yeah, what's up, guys? This is Satya here, and you're watching the video I have made for Mac Pro speakers. I've been trying a lot of mods with Apple Mac Pro speakers. I think this is the best way, okay, and the cheapest way to mod these Apple Pro speakers. Okay. Initially, I bought this stuff for $15 in Flipkart. Okay, somewhere around $900. Sorry, it's 900 rupees. And it came with, it's a 2.1 Blaupunkt SP 210. The model number is, it's a 2.1 channel. It gives a 2.1 channel sound output. This is the center speaker, and there are two small speakers that has been given with this. Okay, so what I've done is I've replaced both the speakers. Okay, I've removed it, and I have replaced with this one with an RCA cable. I've attached these Mac Pro speakers to the center woofer with an RCA jack. Okay, you can check it out. Yeah, it's red and white you've been seeing. So I just want to play the video. On video, you can hear the sound.
I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an
It's
issue,
really awesome.
okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you sold from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. You could be
I said this mod is excellent. The sound quality is superb, and I think this is the best, coolest thing that you can do with your Apple Pro speakers. Bye.